Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you all a story about adventure of Tutu. Tutu is a monkey. In this story, mainly we will see the narrator, Ruskin Bond, his grandfather and his grandmother, and a little red monkey named Tutu, and some other animals like squirrel, rabbit, tortoise, goat, and donkey Nana. Let's get into the story. The narrator's grandfather is an animal lover. One day from Tungu Driver, he brought a little red monkey with sparkling eyes and brows, long tail support as third hand, with pure white teeth and mischieved by nature. The narrator's grandmother is an animal hater, so he and his grandfather secretly locked him in a little closet opening into his bed wall. But after some time, he and his grandfather gone back to release Tutu. But they found that the ornamental paper which was selected by grandfather was in the ground, and his school blazer was in the street and in a tiered stage. He was frightened about the words from his grandmother. Tutu then transferred to a big cage in a servant's quarter where the other animals like tortoise, squirrel, rabbit, and goats were living. But he did not leave anyone to sleep. From Dehradun, his grandfather is going to Saharanpur to get pension on the next day. So grandfather planned to take Tutu with him in a big black canvas kit bag, which is very strong and Tutu could not escape from it. After they reached the Saharanpur station, they crossed the ticket collector and inquired by ticket collecting machine. At that time, Tutu opened the jeep and smiled at the ticket collector. He suggested it as a dog and said grandfather to pay rupees 3 for the dog. Grandfather took his tortoise from his pocket and said, "How much should I pay for this?" Collector observed properly and said, "It is not a dog, so you need no need of charging any more." After returning, grandmother accepted Tutu and gave a comfortable home in a stable place with companion Nana, the donkey. Nana used to teased by Tutu. Those were never became friends. Tutu used to think about warm water bath in winter. One day, Tutu nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive in the tea boiler, and grandmother helped him. While all were eating pulao at home, Tutu broke the plate after eating from a jackfruit tree. So grandfather realized that Tutu could not be petted anymore. So he found the Tunga driver and sold the monkey back to him for 3 rupees. Moral of this story is we should love animals and care them. But without the knowledge of how to control the animals, we should not pet them because that may affect the growth of the animals. So, if we have the capability to control the animals like monkey, we can maintain them. But if we cannot, we can help them by giving food and shelter. At last, I would like to thank our English ma'am to give a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.